Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Festina Chronograph watch after the battery replacement. So after you have correctly replaced the watch battery, you need to look on the back of the watch for a sign where we have either a minus in our case or an AC written. And what you want to do is to connect the minus or the AC with the plus of the watch battery. So we are going to use the metallic pair of tweezers in order to insert one end right here and then connect the second one to the battery, and we are going to do this for 3 seconds. After that, you can look at the front of the watch and make sure that it is working correctly. As you can see, the sub dial for the seconds hand is ticking, and you also need to do the hand alignment of the chronograph. In case you want to watch how to do that, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide of the Festina Chronograph watch. So how to use the chronograph, how to align it, and also how to set the time and date. So guys, that is going to be the quick tutorial that I had for you today. I will also post a full video with how to replace the watch battery from start to end in case you want to check it out. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up in case you found this video useful, and leave a comment. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Festina Chronograph watch. Link in the description box below. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.